Let's learn how to fix TikTok isn't available message. Hello, welcome to GlideTech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to fix TikTok isn't available message. In case in your TikTok for any reason you try to log in and it's showing you that your TikTok isn't available, the first thing you have to check is your data. Try to make sure that your data is being turned on. Having done that, you can go to your Play Store app. Search for TikTok and update your TikTok to your latest version. Having done that, you can go also to your settings of the phone. Click on App Management, App List. Search for TikTok and clear your cache by clicking on Storage and Cache. See the option to clear your cache, just clear your cache. So with this, your TikTok is going to be available. Having done this, if you still have issue, I'll advise you to restart your phone. So guys, with this guide you'll be able to fix TikTok isn't available message. If this video was helpful, do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.